Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. Just saying hi and just doing a bit of before and after. We're just doing a lounge carpet out in one of the villages near Towcester, and we've cleaned 1 or 3/4 of the room, and we've just got this part to do because we've had to move this beast of a table, and it's quite heavy. However, what we use is sliders. So look, little slider pads here, so it allows us just to put the furniture on and we can slide it around, which makes it a lot better for us and easier on the carpet. But I think in the video here you can plainly see the difference between where we've cleaned and where we haven't. So we've moved the table, we're just about to do this side, and you can see the difference. So if you want your carpets cleaning, we're doing a special offer, and because it's coming up to Christmas, I want people to book before the 7th of December so I can spend a bit of time with my family, because last year I was getting calls on Christmas Eve, can you believe, asking me to come out and clean the carpets. Well, it weren't going to happen, as much as I love my work. So if you want your carpets cleaning and protecting, or your upholstery or anything, give us a call on 01327 342 594. Make sure you book with us before the 7th of December, and as we're doing a special offer. So give us a call and we can give you more details. Take care. Bye bye.